Hi, in this video we are going to see PowerPoint interfaces. So when we launch a PowerPoint application, what are the commands, what are the menu bar, where we will be having close button, how we will be having save button, how we can customize all those things and how we can utilize, right? So we will be seeing in the detail. Let me open PowerPoint application. I'll click on the start button and here I have PowerPoint icon. I will click on this and this will open my PowerPoint application. Now I click on the blank presentation and now I can see the window, that blank presentation. So first of all, all these icons, right, all these are called tabs. So these are the tabs, and in each tabs there will be some commands will be stored, and each command will be having group based on the their that uses, right? Say for example something related to font, so all the related to, if I want to modify something on the font related, then it will be listed here. If something on the related to paragraph, it will be here, and drawing related things will be here, and editing related things will be here. So all these things we will be seeing this in the details, each of these functions. But this one, these commands line, right, these calls tabs, each one called tabs, and each tabs will be having some command, and commands will be grouped in groups. It will be group, like if you see there is a lines, right? So this one, the transition to this slide, right, from here we have one line to here we can see the one line. So this call one group. And then for timing related, if you see there is a one line here and there is one line here as well, and this called timing. And at the top, if you see at the top, this call as a title bar. So title bar, what will be in the title bar? It will be name of the file. So by default it will be presentation 1, presentation 2, presentation 3. As of now it is 6. If I click again Control N, I'll try to create one new presentation. So presentation 7 is this. So previously I have already created 6 presentations. So when I click on the new one, it got presentation. By default it will be like that. If I click on one more time, I can see one more is presentation all. So this is 8. So this call our title bar, where name of the file will be presented. If I try to save it, the name will get changed. So I'll click on the save. It will ask where you want to save, this PC and desktop, and we can give anything, any name for our example. So I'll put as the for demo. I click on that and you can see it was changed to the for demo. So this is the title bar. Here we will be having one ribbon option, display option. As of now we can see this ribbon. If I want to hide, so right, we can say so the tabs only, you can see the only tabs. If we click on that, those things that commands will be visible, but as soon as I click somewhere else, it will be go away. And then we have the, so first one, auto hidden ribbons. So when we click that, entire thing will be like hidden, and as soon as I move my mouse pointer at the top, I am getting one this line. I'll click on this and I will able to get all those option back. But as soon as I click somewhere outside of this icon, if I click here, it will go. So this is the auto hide options. And then show tabs only. So if you click that, it will not auto hide, tabs will be only visible, and we can click on the any of this and we will be able to access all those commands. So these functionality is built because of sometimes we need some more spaces, right, for our work. So in that time we can utilize these commands. As of now I'm clicking show tabs and command, and I'm on back. So next one is minimize button. If I click that, the window will get minimized. Another one is here we have like it's kind of resizing the window. If I want to resize, right, sometime we need this way. bigger or smaller, right? And that time if I click that, it will be maximum size. And final one, this one is called close button. If I click that, the presentation will get closed. Then we have this file menu. When we click on the file, we will be having one option: new, open, info, save and save as, print, share, export and close. All these options will be there. So all these options we will be seeing in the detail, but this is the our file menu. Now here in this we will be having slide 1. This is the status bar, where we will be having, as of now it is showing that you are on which slide, right? And this one is the small icon is kind of is called slide holder, where all our slides will be listed. So if I try to add some more slide, I'm just copy pasting. If you see that these slides are the 1 2 3 4, this side got created. And if I click here, right, as of now if I'm clicking here, you see I am selecting 2 slide, right? So in the status bar we can see 2 out, 4 is got selected. So as of now you are working on the second slide, and altogether 4 slides are there. If I click on the third one, it will change. So this is the status bar, and here we will be having notes. So these notes are sometime if I wanted to have if I'm going for some presentation and wanted to have some notes for me to memorize, like, hey, these topics has to be covered or these thing has to be call out on meeting, so that time we can put. But when we are showing it to our like audience, right, on the presentation mode, the notes will be not visible, only this this space will be visible. So in notes we will be having a separate video. And comments, if we want to add some comments, we can add it. And this one is a normal view. This one is slide sorter. If I click on that, only slide sorters are there, available is there. Then again if you click on the reading view, so if you see the only the it become on the reading view that slide holder is not available here. We have more spaces to view it. Then again if we click on that, we have to make it to the normal view, right? Normal view, click on this normal view, where you will be having this slide holders and that work area where we have to edit our slide. So this is one. Another one is like this one is a present slide. So if I click on this, so we will be having slide. This is the one icon where we will be having on the same option, we will be having this place. So it is here as well. Okay, now zoom option. So 71% as of now zoom. If I want to have a little bit more zoom, we can click on this. So 100%, right, 100%, 110%, based on our need we can zoom in and zoom out. Here again slide share, so that option is there. And like in new version of this PowerPoint, the one is the like very good functionality is the tell me what you want to do. So if I click on this, it will ask if we can put anything, insert object, insert icon. If I click insert a icon, as of now offline, so I click on this. I am not connected with it. Let's see, work offline if something we have. So if anything we have on the our desktop, there is nothing, so we can use it. But however anything we want to add, I will show you one thing. I'll insert one shape. So insert shape. So as of now insert shape option is there, and we can select any of the shape. So if I select this shape, where is smiley, yeah, this one. If I click here, the same thing we can do on the, like, tell me what you want to do, any command, any action you want to do, you can put it. If I want to like go on the presentation, right, so click on the slide. So click on the, sorry, it will become master. Click on the slide. So trying to press F5, say for example F5, so it will be become in the PowerPoint. So let me enter something, and if I press F5 here, so even here both way it will be working. But let me have a test and change the color of this color. If I click on the change the color option, color, test fill, and option is already it is black, so it is not showing. So as of let me click on the some different color, so green color. So anything we want to add from there, we can do that one. So this is very useful. And that's all for this video. In next video we will be learning more on the formatting and inserting the slides.